Good morning students. Welcome back to your fun activity class. Today we will learn how to make a paper boat. First, take a A4 size paper. Then fold like this. And press nicely. After this, fold it again and open it. Now fold it like this from both sides. Now fold it like this from both sides. Now fold the corners like this and press nicely. After this, open it and press. Now fold it upward from both sides. Now open it like this and open both sides like this, and our paper boat is ready. Okay, and press it nicely again. Now our paper boat is ready. Okay, so children, practice it at home.